Welcome to J&J's test video of F6HU228. The 2006 Hummer, 188,000 miles on it. Hit there in the left front. Show you what we got here. 184,299. Been running a little bit today. Good oil pressure. There's an aftermarket Pioneer on it. Climate control work. I can't test the transmission. There's the windows fold, the mirrors fold. Out. Here's what it fold in. That one folded out, and that was it. Let's see how it works. Has a big set of wheels on it. Power seats work. Has this big goofy roof rack on the top with a ladder. Alright, check that mirror over there. One seems to be dead. Alright, so we just got a left there. Compass works. Let me show you the smoke. Got a leaky valve cover gasket. Good oil pressure. Got some coolant in it. Alright, that'll do. S6HU228. As always, thank you for watching.